Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make rules for Discord server. Creating clear and concise rules for your Discord server is crucial for maintaining a positive and respectful environment. Here's a breakdown of how to create effective rules. 1. Define your server's purpose. You need to identify your goals. What do you want your server to be about? Is it for gaming, discussions, or a specific community? Next, you must define your target audience. Who is your server for? This will help you tailor the rules accordingly. So, after defining your server's purpose, the next step is to formulate core rules. Don't forget to keep the rules concise. It's short, easy to understand language. Be very specific. Avoid vague terms. Instead of being respectful, state that no personal attacks or insults. Don't forget to cover key areas like the behavior, content. On the behavior, we have respectful communication, no harassment and discrimination. On the content, some of the rules are no NSFW content, no spam, no self-promotion without permission. On the safety, no doxing, no encouraging illegal activities. On the technical, no excessive pinging, no spamming links or images. Once you're through with defining the rules or formulating the core rules, the next thing you need to do is to consider additional rules. We have the server-specific rules. That is, adapt your rules to your server's unique needs. For example, if it's a gaming server, you might have rules about spoilers or griefing. Also, clearly outline the consequences for breaking those rules, e.g. warnings, or temporal bans or permanent bans. Once you do this step, next step is to create a rules channel. Make a dedicated text channel for your rules. Use bold, italics, or different colors to make the rules visually appealing and easy to read. Pin the rules channel to the top of your server list for easy access. Next step, enforce the rules consistently. Apply the rules equally to all members regardless of their role or status. Explain the reason for any disciplinary action. Be open to suggestions for improving the rules. Examples of rules are: be respectful to all members, no harassment, discrimination, or hate speech, no NSFW content or explicit language, no spamming links, images, or messages, no doxing or sharing personal information without consent. These are examples of the rules you can make. By following these steps, you can create a set of rules that foster a positive and enjoyable environment for everyone on your Discord server. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.